Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quit Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone or Android. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments. Let us get started with you. So, open the Facebook Messenger app. Then, at the top, click on the three bars. After that, on the gear, and then you scroll to the very bottom because you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. This is where you choose your password and security. Next, you need to choose where you are logged in. And now you select your Facebook page. And after that, you'll be able to see absolutely all the devices that you've logged into your Messenger from. And in order to log out of it, you'll need to delete them. Here at the top, as you can see, is the device from which you are currently logged into Messenger, and at the bottom is the device from which you have logged in once before. Next, you need to select the device to log out from. Then you need to check absolutely all the devices that will be in this list. If you have only one device, then you just click Log Out under it. If you have selected all the devices, then you also click Log Out to log out. And after these actions, you will log out from absolutely all devices from your Facebook Messenger. The ones you logged in from before, and the one you're currently on Messenger from. You'll be logged out. And in order to re-enter Messenger, you'll have to keep your Facebook password and so on. That's how you can log out of Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.